Hello everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the name of your Instagram stories highlight invisible, that is, completely empty with nothing written. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. This helps me a lot to bring more videos like this to you. Let's start. If we open Instagram, click on our profile, and look at our story highlights, we can see that there is a name, and even if we try to delete that name completely, when we save, highlights still say. To leave your Instagram story highlight without any name, open Google and search for invisible character. Click on the first link you find. The site we are going to use is called EditPad. We can see that it is a green button that says copy to clipboard. Click on this button and you will have already copied this invisible character. Now let's go back to Instagram. Keep your finger pressed on the story highlights to edit the name. Now, it's very simple. Delete that name where it says highlights and paste the invisible character that we copied there on the website. Once this is done, now just save the changes by clicking on the top right corner of the screen where it says done. Now everything is done. You have managed to make your story highlight completely invisible and nameless, and that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.